evening, traders. This is Brian with TraderShark.com, an educational website to learn how to trade the S&P, Euro, and crude futures. I'm going to go through Thursday and Friday's trades. We had a free trial this week, and of course Murphy's Law hit. Bad news came out, market went up. Good news came out, market went up. A lot of sideways chop. We also had options expiration. This is Thursday, February 20th, 2014. This opening price here is $18.2750. Coming out of the no trade zone, we generally don't trade from 9:30 to 9:45. Got an opportunity to get short, had a no fill, just did not fill me, and I'm not one for chasing trades. Continuing on into the morning, another no fill. You can see our nice auto wave fired off. Had our buy order in there, and I did not get filled. And then had another opportunity to get in, got my first target off, and then got stopped out by market internals for plus zeros. And then this is a hook pattern, which is considered an aggressive trader's trade. Had an opportunity to get in at the highs, and then got tagged for a -4 ticks on each contract, so a total of -8 on that. So starting out the morning is pretty rough. At 11:30 until 1:15 Eastern Standard Time, gradual grind higher, and then coming out of that, we have a nice little 2 o'clock trade. This was a nice 2 o'clock trade setup. It did not sell off. Generally, we see about a 3-point pullback here. Did not. Got our first target off. Got stopped out for -1 tick. While we may not have been profitable today, we certainly were very protective of our P&L, and we took minor losses today. Going in, you can see this right into the afternoon on Thursday afternoon. Sideways chop right into the close. 3:50 until 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time is our final no trade zone. Now let's go ahead and look over at Friday. This is Friday, February 21st. Almost identical setup on a couple of these trades. Also, it was options expiration, and I know I'm human, right? It didn't really dawn on me when we first started trading. This is options expiration Friday. I never trade on Friday options expiration Friday, but I did today. Let's go ahead and see what happened here. Opening up at 9:30 to 9:45. Again, this is Friday. Coming in to our first 15 minutes, we don't trade. Going until 2 o'clock. Mistake. I realized it afterwards, and hindsight is always 20/20, but this isn't right in the middle of a reversal zone. We don't know it's going to reverse until about 10:10 in the morning. This is right at what? At 10:03, and I went long. I got my first target off, got stopped for -2 ticks. So again, in hindsight, had another opportunity to go short. What do? Went short right into another reversal zone, 10:25 to 10:30. I know it's not funny, but it's real, you know, and it is certainly it took these losses live in front of everybody. Going on, we had our pullback above our moving averages, nice. An opportunity to get long, but I want you to see this took a little bit more pressure. Look at our trendline wave trade breaks. The difference between a zero line and an oversold area for continuation higher. I want you to see this 6 ticks was well earned, took a little bit of heat to the downside, and this second 6 ticks, this is if you're trading 2 contracts and you trade another 2 contracts, putting 4 contracts in long, and it's pretty aggressive. 2 and 4, total of 6 ticks, not much. And then right immediately after that, an identical trade set up, hook long, aggressive, took a -4 ticks on 2 contracts. Again, still maintaining a good money management and maintaining a good relative profit and loss. You know, we're not going to be perfect at winning every day. This week was a rough week for us, no doubt. 11:30 to 1:15 Eastern Standard Time. Look at this sideways chop. Now, ordinarily I would say no trading on options expiration day. So we kind of watched it. We did see some sideways motion. We saw some minor megaphone patterns. An opportunity to get short in through here. Thought we were going to have some heavy sell-off. Why? Because of the news report earlier. Got our first target off, took a stop of -4 ticks, and then this is the one that hurt the most. We don't see these very often, but I took a full stop out, 16 ticks, 2 contracts, 8 ticks each. It's a $200 loss right there. Going on into the day, pretty much thinking we're done, and right in towards the end, we had a hook pattern short. I know it was a very aggressive trade. I popped on 3 contracts on this particular trade. T1, T2, and T3. T3 was not hit. T1 and T2 were hit. As long as you've got your first contract off, you can hold it on into the no trade zone. Both first and second contracts were hit. The third contract was not, and we forced myself out before this market were to go sideways into the close. So hope you enjoyed that. If you're interested in taking advantage of the webinar specials, please feel free to go to the homepage on TraderShark.com and touch that home tab, and you'll see webinar specials will drop down and take the webinar is still up and running, and also the specials. Currently, what I have right now is the free trials are over for this week. Try to get something first part of March, and then the trading manuals, all 4 trading manuals for $149, and then I've got 2-for-1 special on the Shark Den. So come join us if you want to see this. If you want to do another free trial, let me know. We'll go ahead and get that set up. I know we had some challenges this past week. Thank you. Look forward to seeing you in the Shark Den. Here's to a profitable trading week ahead.